Greetings to the world, yeah, this is okay, Rasmus, I'm talking, and we out here in Africa, South Africa, Gauteng Province, PTA, Pretoria, Mahlanyeni, Sosha, Nguve. It's where we at, you know what I mean. Mother fuckers, you know what I mean, yeah, I'm back, man. I'm back. Ndovha va MLD ndi vhalaudzi Blago. Yeah, the Blago vhalaudzi vha the reason why it's got Blago with that is because this like this dude like I'm still trying to understand how does he do things, bro. He turned me into a person that I always say I'm not that kind of person. He turned Adolf, Mr. Thohoyandou, to a person who is not that person. You know what I mean? I used to say, nah, I'd share the reactions, just love song when I'm gonna. Why? Because that's the easiest entry to Mwanamu. But bro, seeing me sitting here in front of this camera, doing reaction towards this song, I don't understand myself. Yes, I know he paid me since I said. Actually, let me address this issue now. I'm no longer doing reactions for free. Unless I decide to do it voluntarily on your craft. That's when you won't pay anything. But if you approach me, motherfucker, be ready to pay. I think you share their own. Bro, like, come on, man. There are a lot of offers that came before him, and I was like, no, I'm not going to react towards this song because it's love song. But now talking about Adolf, he announced during album, it's his album, it's his last album. He's no longer doing music, but here he is, bro. Here he is. So but Blago, I don't know really what I mean is me mind. But nonetheless, is when I'm gonna, if it's your first time exposing yourself to this YouTube channel, please hit subscription button, Georgina, and what on return notification bell, but I'm gonna remember to like any video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, click. Casual. So without any waste of time, it's again only it's a like to do a love song here. This slow jam love song now, cause it like irwa yo Buddha, man. It was about this ngo isungo jaya, man. So irani ndi pumule ndi putedze wambe muzika. Listen. Yo, do you hear those kicks? Oh, come on, man. Blago. Listen. Yo, fuck, man. These kicks are kicking me, man. These kicks are kicking my ass, you know. So big shout out to the producer who produced this song, because it seems like he knows Blago, and Blago has been doing music for quite some time. Just that Asivatu never learned to jam music, a hobby. Never learned to jam music, a hobby, because I'm going to focus on Mandaka, because he comes from a family of musicians. Arash Kombangai. Is Phathutshedzo mulaudzi, unamashidu mulaudzi. Magantsha, yeah, ndiyalifunesa nalo liremwe reggae chileme. Then there's the MLD, AD mulaudzi, there's also Tabelo mulaudzi, V Coast Madoza. So like it's from that family of people who just enjoy like do music for fun, but music wana wathuma mamngana. Woo! Yo! I think it's going to hit. Ask it what I'm gonna. Okay? So besides zwine, he kept like This song, it was like a standard. It's the basics because those kicks are just continuing the way they were before he jumps in. So you can tell that this song is so composed. And ito da muthu ane una ndevhe yo thetshelesa muzika ane u a kona u konḓelela because this first part, the minute he came, mbilu ya lufuno ndi nayo, like I think he should have approached it in a way in a not but now actually I will explain it later, but let's give it time. Cause I know donkey like that kuthomela kwa ila beat kutanga ko determine nga manda the way abakwemba ngayo because those kicks these are zikotamba za basic. The minute a boom bass drops, ndigamba ndo thomo upfa ene wakuma Blago anenda mdiba. That first part tindi burota yo koloniwa hani itonga comes isatunga ndi voice straight ukuimba yo itwa zwo kolona like voice or inge ina is sort of like tindi zwembisa yani man. Mana producers are hearing me. Isatunga oba achiko ono to thomo to imba straight. Iba chitonga iko rwela kule because hapa no which the minute a boom bass drops, that's when I would say this is Blago that I know. Listen. Cause I know where you come from. This is Blago that I know. But here at first Mangwa matanga orikuti nyana so at the beginning, should I blame this to a person who was mastering voices or him or he did it intentionally or yeah, but the minute a boom bass drops, that's the Blago that I know, bro. Blago the vocalist. Listen. Cause I know this is Blago that I know. Where you come from. What do you mean? I know what I'm banga, yeah. Cause I know where you come from. If you don't see me clear, just zoom. Because I'm also zooming. You know what I mean? Sure. So, but enough about zoom, man. Enough about zoom. When I treat you better, okay? When I treat you better, when I love you more. So that Almania, bro, like I'm singing this like wholeheartedly. When I love you more. When I love you more. When I love you more. Blago, when I love you more. When I excuse me, this type of music, I will not the punchline now. I will not the punchline. Now I'm just laughing, like I'm just enjoying, bro. Like I'm just enjoying him, like singing, like fuck, man. Listen. When I treat you better, when I love you more. When I love you more. When I love you more. Yeah. Listen. When I love you more. the verse. This is the verse. When I say I love you, we hear me.
Oh yeah, when I say I love you, I don't lie.
Okay.
When I say I love you, I don't lie. I don't lie. Simbambeze naola, Simbambe naola. I'm not a cheater, baby.
Ooh. I'm not a cheater. Ha, bro,
Baby,
listen.
I'm not a cheater.
I don't know the basis of muzika. Bro, like I think I'm not a cheater. But that's how we are. But that's how we are. We always feel like, nah, yeah, I'm done. I'm no longer going to cheat. No, the way I break is already. But to go to Blago was it. But to know what you got to reality. You're imaginary cheater. So let's go.
I'm not a cheater, baby. I'm not a cheater. Reason by you, you're the one I love. I sit down, when I treat you better, Lord.
So I just be the children last time guy. It's something that I always tell people, bro. In life, even in a partner that you are afraid to lose. That's not the one, bro. Or like there are certain people that when you have them in your life, you'll be like, because I'll be very jealous of when I teach you experience. Experience through. So the fact that he's saying I'm not a cheater and it shows when he values her. So which is it's more advisable to each and everyone. Bro, a person that you are dating or the person that you are in a relationship with, if you do not afraid to lose him or her, as I told him to him.
When I treat you better, Lord. When I love you more. When I love you more. When I
love you more. My favorite part. Love you more. One, two, Mr. Thohoyandou, Adolf. Let's go. Okay, Kare Numfaresa Kumba, but it sounded like Kare Numfaresa Kumba. Kumba, which is snail. Gumba is an egg. Spell the mai.
Kare ndimufaresa kumba nandi tinga do mutumba pepo asongosha.
So hapa ni nandi tinga do muzumba tidiburini ndiyo rekazi ndimufaresa kumba nandi tidiburini nandi huko tidiburi huko chopiwa nandi ndi dzina la wena. So nandi nandus nandi. You guys who usually calls me Nandi, I hate it. Nandi themselves, man, you're shy. Yeah. It reminds me of my landlord man back in Cape Town. Yeah, I give Nandi. Mem Nandi. So it's no Nandi at people in the tanganyisa hela line yore ndimfarisa gumba kana ndi dzina la girlfriend nokwembewa ufinandina, but asikho la
kare ndi mufaresa kumba
Sure.
nandi tinga tokutumba pepo asongo shava ndi lumba sangoma yo muvuma mporofita amusumba
yo okay
kare ndi mufaresa kumba nandi tinga tokutumba pepo asongo shava ndi lumba sangoma yo muvuma mporofita amusumba
Pepo asingoishava ndi lumba sa ngoma yo muvumba muprofita musumba. What the fuck man? Sa ngoma ndrini ndisa ngoma mara yorwa sa ngoma yo muvumba. Okay sharp tingoma dzitovumba samga dziva dzichikolavesa vadzivisa mini what do you call this thing pangu so muprofita musumba.
nandi tinga tokutumba pepo asongo shava ndi lumba sangoma yo muvuma mporofita amusumba uri ene kane uopedza rufuno ndotudedza mudzimu rukudedza ava vakosamu rishushedza ende zvino rikulesa ribona ribosumesa
yo yo what a coincidence.
mudzimu rukudedza ava vakosamu rishushedza ende zvino rikulesa ribona ribosumesa
arivonali vozumesa. No man, rap man, rap man. Blago, you did an outstanding work by bringing this legend man.
mudzimu rukudedza ava vakosamu rishushedza ende zvino rikulesa ribona ribosumesa rosoltepa zvithu zvinji rokavhara asi muswa
Rosoltepa zvizhinji rokavhara. What the fuck man? Nichikavhara niyasoltepa. Man.
ribosumesa rosoltepa zvithu zvinji rokavhara asi muswa ati muswa ribva kule rosafara and
Aute lorini ati muswa asi muswa arivaswa. Zadova zvo ronyana do vulaini vunova vuchipfala unga vuweekend ni vulaini handi yelo chavufuna vo
ribosumesa rosoltepa zvithu zvinji rokavhara asi muswa ati muswa ribva kule rosafara and kara asi chithu ngori ompushisa para honenga ndahalumalo tovosala mini mara rosoltepa zvithu zvinji rokavhara asi muswa ati muswa ribva kule rosafara and kara asi chithu ngori ompushisa para honenga ndahalumalo tovosala mini mara
so that's your vara line. Fuck man, inkumbudza mizofil kaka mdrambi. Yeah, yopedza ndodita mini yambodifedza yojena. Wah, ndilozori ahevana. So no man. But Blago, I'm very thankful man. Please don't forget to comment, like, share. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I'm really too fucking with this song.
Wanna love you more. Wanna love you more. Yeah. Wanna love you more. Love you more.
Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. This is okay, Rasmus on talking all the way from Africa, South Africa, Gauteng Province, PTA, Pretoria, Magantsha. So sure, Nguve Station 6 is where I am. You know what I mean. Blago, you can follow Blago on Facebook. Link in the description below. Don't forget to show the value in the digital platforms. So you started hearing it here. Peace out.